In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Chat notifications on desktop. If you use Google Chat throughout the day, turning on notifications can make a big difference. It helps you stay updated on new messages without needing to keep checking the app manually. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the notification settings and how to switch them on from the desktop version of Google Chat. To get started, open Google Chat on your computer. Make sure you're on the main Google Chat home screen in your browser so you can access the full settings menu. This is where you'll manage your desktop notification preferences. Once you're inside Google Chat, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon which opens the settings panel. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is the area where Google Chat stores your general preferences, including the options for alerts and notification behavior. After the settings panel opens, find the section for desktop notifications. In that section, you'll see an option labeled Allow Chat Notifications. Click the toggle next to it to turn it on. This allows Google Chat to send notifications to your desktop so you can be alerted when new messages come in. You'll also see an option for email notifications. If you want to receive updates by email as well, click the toggle next to that setting to enable it too. This can be useful if you're away from Google Chat for a while and still want to stay informed about activity. If your browser asks for permission to show notifications, make sure you allow it. Even if the setting is turned on inside Google Chat, your browser may still need permission before desktop alerts can appear properly. If notifications don't show up right away, checking your browser's notification permissions is a good next step. Once both toggles are enabled, your notification settings should be active. From then on, Google Chat can alert you on your desktop and, if enabled, through email as well. This makes it easier to keep up with conversations, especially when you're multitasking or working in other tabs. And that's it. That's how to enable Google Chat notifications on desktop. After you turn these settings on, you should have a much easier time staying on top of messages and important updates in Google Chat.